Hello there mga momsies! Welcome back to another unboxing series. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you this product I got from Lazada. It's a car neck pillow and also a car seat lumbar support. Recently kasi medyo nagka-problema tayo sa aking left leg. But so far naman sa aking check-up, everything was okay. Wala namang serious na dapat alalahanin. So, yun lang. My sister suggested me to get this one, especially it's a lumbar support. That means dito sa lower back natin mga momsies, because most of the time I am here in school waiting for my kids. So, minsan nagsasuffer yung ating posture, di ba? Kasi palagi lang tayong nakaupo for longer period of time. So, ayan, I'm gonna be sharing with you this product because I know marami ding mga mommies there, mga momsies there na makaka-relate sa akin. So, let's do this one. I was actually surprised when I got it kasi ganito siya. So, para siyang tawag nito, na-compress yung style ng kanyang packaging. So, ayan, let's open it. Okay, ayan. So, this is the neck pillow. This is how it looks like. Naka-compress nga siya mga momsies. And this is yung car seat na lumbar support, with lumbar support. So, we will try this one out here sa sasakyan and we'll see if ano talaga. It feels soft. It feels soft. And also this one. See, let me just put this one really quick on my seat and let's see. Ayan, nailagay ko na siya mga momsies. Stretchable yung kanyang lock here, which is good. And also yung dito para sa likuran ko, ayan na. Let's see. Wow. It feels comfy mga momsies ha. Maganda siya. And dito din, maganda yung kanyang support on my lower back. It feels nice. It feels good. Talaga. The fit is just right on my back, especially on my lower back, and this one also. I'll be giving you an update maybe in a couple of days to see if may improvement yung ating posture, and also if it's really a big help sa mga may mga pains na nararamdaman, especially sa lower back. If you're driving every day, mga momsies like me, or siguro mahilig din kayo mag long drive, I think this is really a good product para to support your back and your lower back as well. So, that's all for now, mga momsies. I'll keep you posted and make sure that you have followed me here and also on my Instagram for more updates. Bye for now!